Today let's talk about a couple of must-have gadgets for your EDC or everyday carry. Whether you're already a pro or new to the EDC world, these gadgets are perfect to make your daily life easier. So let's get started. And the first gadget is an absolute essential for modern day EDC enthusiasts. It's the Multitool. This little powerhouse packs a ton of functionality into a compact design. With features like a mini knife, scissors or a bottle opener, it's just perfect for everyday tasks. One of the main reasons why a Multitool is worth it is of course its versatility. The Multitool combines several tools into one, and that makes it possible that you don't have to carry multiple items in your pocket, and whenever you need to open or fix something on the go, these are just perfect. And I personally decided to go with the Leatherman. A versatile multi-tool like the Leatherman is a must-have in my opinion because it combines essential tools for a variety of situations. And yes, of course it is possible that there are better versions out there, but for me as an average user it's just perfect. On top, its compact size and lightweight design is absolutely fantastic for all kind of EDC setups, so it's always within reach, which is super helpful. I also have it always in my camera bag because it's such a great tool that helps me to fix or set up things, so if you don't have a multi-tool, definitely get one. Next up we have the EDC Notes book, and of course in these days you can easily use your iPhone to take notes, and yes, I always like to do that as well. Especially the Apple Notes app is a must-have app that makes my whole life way easier. But especially for client work in this digital age, sometimes there's no replacement for good old-fashioned pen and paper. Such a compact and durable notebook lets you write down any important facts, thoughts, important information, or anything that comes to your mind throughout the day. I also think writing on a paper can be more satisfying, and it enhances memory retention compared to typing on screens. And on top, for me, sometimes it is easier to write things into my notes book, especially when I need to get things done really quickly. So yeah, I can highly recommend to use a notebook for all kind of important things. It is really helpful. But next, let's talk about headphones, and the third gadget is the AirPods Pro paired with a stylish walnut case. And yes, of course, wireless earbuds have become an essential part of any EDC setup, and the AirPods Pro stand out for their comfort and sound quality. I personally got the AirPods Pro because they're actually in-ear headphones that I really like. In most cases I always had the problem that these standard headphones simply never fit my ears, or that the audio quality simply isn't great. And that's why I decided to test the AirPods Pro, and gladly everything was fine. For my everyday tasks the audio quality is absolutely fantastic, and in combination with the noise cancelling I can actually enjoy all kind of videos, music or podcasts everywhere on the go. And yes, obviously the AirPods Pro are perfect for the Apple ecosystem as well, so if you have a lot of Apple devices at home, it is super easy to connect the AirPods Pro with all kind of devices. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for an easy all-in-one solution, the AirPods Pro are the way to go. On top, I can also recommend to use a nice case for your AirPods. In this case I used the walnut case from Wood Accessories, and no, this is not sponsored, I bought it for my EDC because it's just a perfect fit and it protects my AirPods as well. So yeah, such a premium case is highly recommended. Next, let's talk about power banks and chargers, and here I currently use two options. It always depends on what kind of things I want to do. The first one that I use is the Apple MagSafe battery pack. Especially if you use your phone a lot like me on the go, it is really important to know that you don't have to worry about charging your phone on the go too. And that's why these battery packs are so great, because you can simply connect them on the backside of your iPhone to charge it. Of course, the battery life of the new iPhone 14 Pro is in most cases great, but sometimes you just need to charge it on the go, and that's why I always have the battery pack with me too. For me, such a battery pack makes my whole workflow every day way easier, and that's why I can highly recommend to check them out. But I also got this second power bank that makes it possible to charge my phone multiple times, and I always have it with me whenever I need to use my phone a lot and whenever there aren't that many options to charge it. So yeah, having a combo like this one here is just awesome because you can always charge your phone simple and fast. Last but not least, let's talk about my ultra compact flashlight. This tiny yet powerful flashlight is a lifesaver in many situations. Especially if you lost your keys under your couch, or if you're out there in the dark with your dog, such a compact flashlight is a lifesaver. Especially its compact size and lightweight build makes it easy to carry it without adding bulk to your EDC essentials. And especially when your phone flashlight can't help you, this gadget will be your trusty sidekick in the dark. So yeah, if you don't have a small and powerful flashlight at home, I can highly recommend to buy one. But yeah, these are 5 must-have gadgets for your EDC. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.